have a bunch of unloved or outgrown knit t-shirts lying around? If so, I have a fun and earth-friendly upcycling project to share with you today. These new Seu tote bags are perfect to use at the farmer's market or even as a fun little tote bags. They are so easy to make, a perfect rainy day craft to keep an elementary age.
Hello everyone, my name is Dinda Ayu Putri from Primary Teacher Education. Today we are going to make a new Seu tote bag from Tshirt. So, are you ready? Let's get started! The materials needed to make a new Seu tote bag from a Tshirt are Tshirt, chalk, and the last one is scissors. So, there are 6 instructions to make a no-sale tote bag from a t-shirt. The first one is, step 1, lay your t-shirt on a flat surface and smooth out all the wrinkles. Determine the best fold to cut around the neckline and sleeves. Measure down how deep you want your t-shirt tote bag to be. Measure 3 more inches and mark this fold. Step 2. cut the bottom of the t-shirt off at the marked spots. Step 3. Cut around the neckline and sleeves. You want to leave about 3 inches at the shoulder seam if possible. This becomes the strap of the tote and you don't want it to fail. Step 4. Keep the bottom of the t-shirt line up and cut the bottom of the t-shirt into 3 per 4 to 1 inch wide by 2 inch tall. Be sure to cut the front and back at some time, so your thighs will be even. Step 5. Flip the t-shirt one side out and start tying the front and back wrinkle face together. Once all the frame strips are tied together, you will notice the back has small holes where you tied and the frames together. And the last one is step 6. Flip the back right side out and you are done.